Long division. Spiral learning. Knowing about long division. 3-digit dividend by 1-digit divisor. Quotients with 0. 4-digit dividend by 1-digit divisor. Long division is another way of showing division. It is very useful while dividing large numbers. Method and terms used. Example 1. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Or, the number being divided is called the dividend. The number which divides is called the divisor. The result of division is called the quotient. In this example, dividend is 6. Divisor is 2. And quotient is 3. Remainder. Sometimes a divisor may not completely divide the dividend. The undivided value left over is called the remainder. Example 3. 15 divided by 2. 7 into 2 is equal to 14 is closer to 15. Dividend is equal to 15. Divisor is equal to 2. Quotient is equal to 7. Remainder is equal to 1. Long division. 2-digit dividend by 1-digit divisor. Example 1. 36 divided by 5. 1. Consider tens digit of the dividend. 3. How many times can the divisor 5 divide it? 0 times, since 3 is less than 5. 2. Consider both tens and ones digits of the dividend. 36. How many times can the divisor 5 be multiplied to get a number closet and less than 36? 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. 5 into 7 is equal to 35. 5 into 8 is equal to 40. 3. 5 into 7 is equal to 35 is the correct option. Write 7 as quotient and subtract 35 from 36. Write the quotient, minuend and remainder under matching place values only. Hence, 36 divided by 5 gives quotient is equal to 7. Remainder is equal to 1. Example 2. 62 divided by 3. 1. Consider tens digit of the dividend, that is 6. How many times can the divisor 3 divide it? 2 times, since 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Write 2 above 6. and subtract 6 from 6. 2. Bring down the ones of the dividend 2. How many times can the divisor 3 divide it? 0 times, since 2 is less than 3. Write 0 next to 2 in quotient and leave 2 as the remainder. Hence, 62 divided by 3 gives quotient is equal to 20. Remainder is equal to 2. Example 3. 72 divided by 4. Now let us understand the steps in short. 1. Divide 7 by 4. Write quotient 1 above 7 and subtract 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Bring down 2 next to 3 to get 32. 2. Divide 32 by 4. Write quotient 8 above 2 and subtract 32 minus 32 is equal to 0. Hence, 72 divided by 4 gives quotient is equal to 18. Remainder is equal to 0. Remember, remainder is always smaller than the divisor. Division is complete when there are no more digits in the dividend to carry down. 3-digit dividend by 1-digit divisor. Example 4. 343 divided by 6. 1. We cannot divide 3 by 6, as 3 is less than 6. Divide 34 by 6. 5 into 6 is equal to 30 is closest and lesser than 34. 2. Write 5 above 34. Subtract 34 minus 30 is equal to 4. Carry down 3 to get 43. 3. Divide 43 by 6. 7 into 6 is equal to 42 is closest and lesser than 43. Write 7 next to 5 in quotient. Subtract 43 minus 42 is equal to 1. Hence, 343 divided by 6 gives quotient is equal to 57. Remainder is equal to 1. Example 5. 117 divided by 9. Let us now write steps in short and numbers without the grid squares. 1. Divide 11 by 9. 1 into 9 is equal to 9. 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. 2. Carry down 7. 3 into 9 is equal to 27. 27 minus 27 is equal to 0. Hence, 117 by 9 gives quotient is equal to 13. Remainder is equal to 0. Quotients with 0. Example 6. 641 divided by 6. 1. Divide 6 by 6. 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. Write 1 as quotient above 6. Carry down 4. 2. Since 4 cannot be divided by 6, 4 is less than 6. Write 0 as quotient next to 1. Carry down next digit to get 41. 3. Divide 41 by 6. 6 divided by 6 is equal to 36. Subtract 36 from 41. 41 minus 36 is equal to 5. Write 6 as quotient next to 0. Hence, 641 divided by 6 gives quotient is equal to 106. Remainder is equal to 5. Example 7. 450 divided by 9. 1. Divide 45 by 9. 45 divided by 9 is equal to 5. Write 5 as quotient above 45. Carry down 0. 2. Since only zeros are left, they cannot be divided by 9. Write 0 as quotient next to 5. Hence, 450 divided by 9 gives quotient is equal to 50. Remainder is equal to 0. 4-digit dividend by 1-digit divisor. Example 8. 4269 divided by 3. 1. Divide 4 by 3. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. Write 1 as quotient above 4. 2. Divide 12 by 3. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Write 4 as quotient above 2 next to 1. 3. Divide 6 by 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Write 2 as quotient above 6 next to 4. Subtract 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Carry down 9. 4. Divide 9 by 3. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Write 3 as quotient above 9 next to 2. Subtract 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Division is complete. Hence, 4269 divided by 3 gives quotient is equal to 1423. Remainder is equal to 0. Example 9. 6081 divided by 2. 1. Divide 6 by 2. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Write 3 as quotient above 6. Subtract 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Carry down 0. 2. Since 0 is less than 2, write quotient as 0. Carry down 8. 3. Divide 8 by 2. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Write 4 as quotient above 8. Subtract 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Carry down 1. 4. Since 1 is less than 2, write quotient as 0. Division is complete. Hence, 6081 divided by 2 gives quotient is equal to 3040. Remainder is equal to 100 minus 0. Division apps. We need to use division in many real-life situations. When total number of objects has to be separated into equal parts groups. Cost of 5 books is equal to 1150 rupees when value of number of objects is given and value of one object has to be found. 3 pizzas, 6 equal parts. 4 friends eat 2 parts each when leftover objects have to be found after equal grouping. Number of rows is equal to when total number of objects or either number in each rows is given. Example 1. One tray can carry 8 cups of ice cream, 1 cup each for 8 people. How many such trays will be needed if 265 people have to be served ice cream together? Will any ice cream cups be left? Solution. To 65 cups of ice cream have to be separated into equal groups of 8. On dividing 265 by 8, quotient will give number of trays and remainder will be number of ice cream cups left. On dividing, quotient is equal to 33. Remainder is equal to 1. 33 trays will be required to serve 265 people together. 1 ice cream cup will be left. Example 2. 3,200 homes have been built in 8 blocks. How many homes are there in each block? Solution. On dividing 3,200 by 8, the quotient will give number of homes in each block. On dividing, quotient is equal to 400. There are 400 homes in each block. Remember, the greatest number given is the dividend. Write the divisor and dividend in their correct position.